how to make DIY ice skates. First, we take paper towel. See this? Now, we take a spray. Spray down most of the paper towel. And then rub it together. Not too much because then the paper towel will get stuck together. So then grab another paper towel. Go on there. Then you have one. Wonderful. Ice skate. Then you take another paper towel, press it against it, so you don't have to use more spray. And then, oh, I messed up. And then I'll use that later. And then so use paper towels, put it on top of them, and then you have something that will kind of look like this. Oh, you can't see that on the camera. And I'll spray it again because it's not going to be slippery enough. It also cleans your floors. I'm going to go put this away. Okay, then you should have something, still can't see that on camera, but it looks kind of yellow. And then you flip it over, put it on the ground, it cleans the floors for you, so. Then you skate. Oh my gosh, I almost fell already. It won't be as graceful. I've not tested these out. Then you want to crinkle them because it makes it easier to skate. And then you put your toes like that. Why don't you? I made this craft up by myself. I'm not even going to call these ice skates anymore. I'm just going to call this cleaning device. Yeah, I'm going to call these cleaning devices, not ice skates. They also clean your feet. And turn around. And then it's actually slippery. No, it's not. Still though. And then you pick up so much dirt from your floor. And then you throw them away when they get too dirty. Or you could also just spray your floor with water or something. That was kind of fun. So, bye. And I'm actually going to fall because my feet are so slippery right now. Bye.